Hi everyone, welcome to Living the Home Life. I'm sharing what I eat in a day with recipes as South Indian. However, not all recipes in this video are particular to South, and I have shared few South Indian recipes in my previous videos which you can check out. Since we eat home food all 3 times of the day, many of my friends have asked what I cook, so here is the typical what I eat in a day. So it is the previous day evening. I'm preparing for dosa batter around 4 pm. I'm soaking 3 cups of rice, 1 tablespoon of tawa dal, 1 tablespoon of channa dal, 1 tablespoon of methi and 1 red chilli in a cup. In the other bowl I'm soaking 1 cup urad dal, and in the other one I'm soaking a handful of poha. I'm soaking these for about 4 to 5 hours until I grind it. The reason I'm using red chilli is it gives a little color to dosa. It is an optional, however. And at around 9 pm I'm grinding everything separately, and also make sure to close the lid and place something heavy if you are using a small bowl to avoid from spilling. I usually have a light breakfast around 10 pm after my yoga. For today's breakfast, I've kept it very simple. In the morning, I wasn't very hungry, so I had a cup of black coffee. We usually have overnight oats or overnight chia seeds. It's very simple to make. I have added 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and a cup of milk and soaked it overnight, and added honey in the morning. You can also add some fruits if you like. It tastes very nice. For lunch, so I'm having around 12:45 since now I'm hungry. The batter has fermented very well, and I have added a pinch of soda and a spoon of salt to the batter. I have also made coconut chutney and potato mix to make it masala dosa. I will leave the recipe for them in the description. It tasted amazing. No matter how many times you eat, you can never get bored of dosa, and that's the beauty of it. Especially if it's made with butter. I hope you try this recipe too. In the evening, I had nanari milk. This is a root syrup. You can just add milk and drink it, and it's very good for summer. For dinner, I'm making masala corn and garlic rice. I have cut up some veggies and paneer, and I'm mixing some spices powder like garam masala, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and added a tablespoon of oil, and then added paneer and mixed it really well. Then in a pan I have added some onions, capsicum and corn. For about 3 to 4 minutes I've sauteed it. Once it's cooked well, I have added chili powder, oregano, pepper powder and some cheese. Then I added some cream and peri peri powder and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Once it comes to paste like consistency, I added fried paneer and stirred it really well, and now it's ready. Now for the rice, I'm taking a pan and adding couple of tablespoons of oil, then added some garlic, chopped coriander leaves, chili flakes and some chili powder. Then added some rice and mixed it really well and added some salt at the end. I'm now transferring it into a bowl. It tasted delicious, very aromatic and also very filling. I like everything in this meal: garlic, paneer, cheese, corn, all of it. You can also have it with a soda if you like. It definitely tastes very nice and it's a must try. And if you do not have a lot of time to make this, you can try it over the weekend. It's worth trying. So that's it for what I eat in a day. Comment down below which is your favorite South Indian food. I will come back soon with more recipes like this, so subscribe and hit the like button. Do share it with friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.